Check out the new Animal Company update part 3. I mean, no parts. Why does a tree look like that? Okay. Alright, so we're in Animal Company. This stuff looks pretty good.
I bet.
That dude looks pretty cool.
I bet.
Ooh, what's in here? Is this? Oh my god, shoot me? Oh, frick, no.
God dang it.
Let me put.
Hey,
you got the glitch. Hey, you got the glitch. You got the glitch. Yeah.
Guys, go to
Oh yeah.
We need to get the right arm too.
So I guess it's just shop. Here, this shop, pretty cool. Yeah, this is shop. Nut Mart, bro. Hold on. 600. Yo, these are cheap. Oh, never mind.
Who wants to see something?
What? For only that is not a lot. For that, okay, that. The give me that. Left on. Okay. The frick nightmare. That's a night. How much? 1,000. Yeah. 2,000. $500. You know what?
Where's Suez?
I kind of want the burner. So I'm gonna go get my stuff.
Hey, guys. Hey, Green. We gotta go to Suez.
Let's go Suez.
I'm gonna go to Suez.
Alright.
Why there's so many big rock aliens
Alright,
here?
they moved the machine over here, and Lake is now over here. Rocket is up there. Oh, they made more? I know. How much we just... Yeah, 25,000. It's only 10. Wait. So 25,000. Hold on. If you go to the nut shop real quick, if I can grapple one in, if we go to the nut shop, that's nuts. And
I go bum. I shall eat you, you dirty little bum. God damn.
Alright, let's go to the nut shop. Wait, let me check it first.
I'm Godzilla.
So now you can literally like there's 25. No, that's so much. So you can buy. So what I kind of want is I kind of want this right here. I want this. I want the demon one. And it's still not. Let's go to the different one. Wrong.
You are Tim.
And then the next thing I want in here, because there's some drippy items in here.
It hit me in our hand, back
No, actually, if it's still here, then hold on.
Wait! I'll give you a little turn of beans, just wait up!
Okay, it's still here,
My name is Andrew Davis, and I'm going out.
Canopy VIP, you can just buy that if you have enough.
My name is Andrew Davis, and I like mustard. My name is Andrew Davis, and I've got mustard.
But yeah, that's the new update. I hope this
My
video
name is
isn't too long. Yeah.